Howdy, my name is Andrew Schwinn.
I'm Jack Shirley.
I'm Steve Park.
This is our CSE 462 project. So our project is basically a guitar effects box that digitally processes the guitar signal coming out of the guitar and then sends it to an amplifier or a speaker. So from the hardware side, we have two Arduinos, one doing the signal processing and one doing the controls. On top of the signal processing Arduino, we have a proto board where we have soldered an input and output circuit. So the ADC of the Arduino can read from 0 to 5 volts. So we need to apply a 2.5 volt DC offset to the input signal. So the input circuit adds a 2.5 volt DC offset, and it also functions as a bandpass filter to filter out some of the frequencies that humans can't hear. And then the output circuit removes that 2.5 volt DC offset and then also applies a low pass filter to get rid of some of the noise.
So we have two Arduinos actually in this Ampduino. The reason for that is the amount of I/O pins needed was just too great for one Arduino to handle. And on top of that, having a second Arduino actually helps improve the quality of the signal processing, so it's not having to continuously check for which mode it's in. So the actual function of the second Arduino is to continuously check for which mode is currently selected. So, and the way it communicates with the first Arduino is through three digital I/O pins sending binary, and that way we're able to select which mode we currently want to play.
We read in from the ADC register and modify the integer value. We read and output it to PWM pins. The objective of this project is basically to create a relatively small and lightweight guitar effect box that performs real-time digital signal processing. So modifying the value before it's sent out to the PMW allows the creation of different types of effects. Distortion works by simply clipping the input. We configured out ADCs to read a single byte. 127 represent our virtual ground pretty much, and we primarily implemented clean by default, which starts from case 0 all the way to case 9. So we have distortion, fuzz, bit crusher, wind tunnel, inverse, phaser, crunch, and gain, which kind of creates its own unique sound effects.